Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back for another video, and this time, as you know, it is another unboxing, and we've got the Realme GT Master Edition. Big shout out to Realme for sending this over, and as you know, as we like to do, top down and facing this cameraman, let's get to unboxing it. So yeah, this is the Realme GT Master Edition. Again, big shout out to Realme for sending this through. Like the nice big box, which tells me there's going to be some nice packaging in here. And I believe this retails in the UK for about £315, but I'll have the full details in the description below. But yeah, this is competitively priced. So let's look around, hopefully not take too long, and see what my impressions are of this. So Realme GT Master Edition, and you've got the Snapdragon 778G. G always stands for gaming, and then it is a 5G processor as well. So this should be a step up slightly from the 765G, which should be good. 120Hz Super AMOLED display, was not expecting that. We're gonna see how good that display is, especially when it comes to color accuracy and brightness. 65-watt super dark charge. Ooh, love this already. Big fan of super fast charging, and it's a super slim and light master design. Okay, dual SIM, and it's 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage. That's great to see as well. And this is the Voyager Gray, dual physical SIMs in there. So yeah, this is it. This is it. This is it. Whew. Flip, flip, flip. All right, let's get to unboxing the Realme GT Master Edition. All right, pop the knife out. Unless there's a pull tab, but I don't see any pull tabs. So cut away. Okay, let's see what's up with this. Right, take the plastics off. I'm gonna unbox it this way because it matches with the text. You got a Realme GT 5G Master Edition. Ooh, anticipation, 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 anticipation. Take your time, obviously. Okay, there we are. I'm gonna put this on the side and it says, hey, welcome to the Realme family. Realme, thank you. Take this out. Nothing in there, cool, no problem. There is the phone itself from the jump. Fingerprint location. And this is the accuracy of the screen fingerprint recognition may be affected by third-party screen protectors. Using a professional Realme fingerprint screen protector is recommended. Wherever I can find a professional one. Cool. Ooh, okay. This feels solid already. Put this down for a hot minute. And wow, thank you very much. Thank you very much. There's already a case. Okay. Let's see this case. Nice. Feeling that. Case in a box. That's good. That's good. Then you've got, it's the, I believe the European plug, the 65-watt super dart charger. Thank you for including a charger in the box, and not just any charger, a top tier, super fast charger. Definitely going to be testing this out. And it is USB-A. And then you've got the USB-A to USB-C cable. Now, the thing about these Realme ones, you can't just use any USB-C cable. These USB-C cables are slightly thicker to take in the higher ampage that these plugs take. So if you use a normal USB-C cable to USB-A cable, you are not going to be getting a 65-watt charger. That one, I know that much. And then you've got the SIM ejector tray, but no earphones in any way, whether it's USB-C or 3.5, but not sure if this has 3.5, which I highly doubt nowadays, but I might be surprised. Might be surprised. Let's put this down for a minute. Let's tug this away, put this to the side, put the case here, and then the Master Edition. Realme GT Master Edition. Ooh. Okay. From the jump, this feels very solid. Got to admit, this is very different. Voyager Gray, this is very different. But I'm feeling this, I'm liking this. This feels well put together. And I'm gonna say this from the jump, excellent button placement. You've got the power button here, and you've got the volume buttons as separate buttons adjacent, not rockers, adjacent from each other. So handling is perfect. Look at that. Your thumb and your two fingers, your middle and your index finger, bang on. This is perfect button placement. So as first impressions go, I am thoroughly impressed. And on top of that as well, yes, there is a 3.5mm headphone port, USB-C, not sure if it's dual speakers, but I believe that's microphone, bottom firing speaker. Hopefully this is a top firing speaker as well. And a single hole punch on the top left. Oh, this is a great first impression. Wow. Wow, this is nice. Let's try and power it on. And you do have a pre-applied plastic screen protector, as well as obviously the case that comes in the box. Yeah, Realme, you've impressed me. I'm initially very, very impressed. See your boy struggling to put the case on. There you go. It follows the same design pattern. Okay. This is great. This is great. This is great. Let's go back. English United Kingdom, of course. We're just gonna do a quick setup. Next. We're gonna skip this for now. Next. Accept. Later. Next. Realme UI. And I'm guessing this is probably going to be based on Android 11. Okay. Now, the first thing I always like to test out is the haptic feedback, right? So let's see how that looks like. Oh, well, let's go to display first. Go to dark mode. Turn off auto brightness for a hot minute. Migrate from your old phone. Increase it to 30 minutes. Refresh rate is on auto, standard. So we're going to select 120 Hertz rather than auto. Screen display. Okay, so you can hide the hole punch, interesting. We'll see how the gesture navigations go. High power consumption, yada, yada, yada. Dark mode settings, rotate, look. So, navigation. What else was status icons? No. Where are we? Okay, cool. So let me type in. Oh, the haptics are actually decent. Oh my days. The haptics feel all right. Vibration intensity. Okay, more testing is needed. More time is needed, but already the haptics feel a bit decent, which was not always the case. Vibration intensity. Oh my days, we've got decent haptics. Realme, you listened from last time. Oh my days, yes, I like this. This is a great first impression. This is a nice phone. Okay, you've caught me by surprise here, Realme. I was not expecting that. So yes, I will do a full first impressions, but what I'm gonna be doing is doing a comparison against this phone here, the Pixel 6, because wow, this is nearly half the price. And could you justify spending more? Yeah, you could, definitely. But I wanna challenge that a bit. So charging test, camera comparison for sure, first impressions, full review, and then the general comparison. So watch out for that. But this is my raw first impressions. And I have to say, I'm so far impressed with this Realme GT Master Edition. more than I actually expected it to. Wow, okay, take that for what it is. This is a good first impression. Well, Snapdragon 778G, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage. Not sure if it's UFS 3.0, 2.1, 3.1, double confirm that. And I believe it's a 4,300 milliamp hour battery with 65 watt super dark charging. But again, I'll do a proper first impressions and really put this out there. I didn't want to investigate too much about this phone and just give you my raw first impressions. Button placements, build quality, size, the compact, yeah. Oh, okay, I like this. I like this. Let me know your thoughts. Have you picked this up, the Realme GT Master Edition or the GT? What's your thoughts? Let me know what you want to see, but I've pretty much given you a little preview scape of what content I'm going to be doing as well as comparing it. That's it for me, man. Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS Tech Lover Squad so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you are all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.